So welcome back. ACPL Season 5, Match number 2 on turf number 1. ITCG की, की टीम ने पहले टॉस जीता है और गेंदबाजी का निर्णय लिया है एंड डिजीकॉम सेक ब्लेजर्स को पहले आमंत्रित किया है बल्लेबाजी के लिए. બહુ જ સરસ એવી શરૂઆત થઈ છે આજના દિવસની.
राजेश और अल्पेश बैट्समैन. राजेश और अल्पेश आप स्कोरिंग पे बैठे हो.
Check. Assert Cricket Premier League Season 5. Second match on turf 1. ITCG won the toss. They have elected to bowl first. We saw the runs flowing in the first match. And Digicom Sec Blazers, well, also they have some record here in the practice match on all the matches which they play here. They have scored above 100 runs. So let's see how will the innings start here. Sandeep Bhai to bowl the first over, and it's Rajesh sir on the striker's end and Alpesh Bhai at the non-striker's end. Let's play is the call, and what a shot. Surely Shrenik by stopping the ball. The speed was stopped there. A single run on the very first ball itself. Going on the back foot, that's been driven towards the extra cover for a single. So both the batsmen opening their account, and the score moves on to 2. This time a cracking shot. It's an absolute cloud sixer. Well, that was a warm-up 6. And Rajesh Bhai once again using his wrist. And it's an absolute cloud sixer. Well, there was an fielding attempt for a catch being taken, but then it's an absolute cloud sixer. Way away from the batsman. It's a legal delivery. Two dot balls. Good comeback by Sandeep Bhai. And the score after first over is 14 runs. A good start by the opening pair. And we have got some news કે જ્યારે પણ આ બંને બેટ્સમેન આવી રીતે સ્ટાર્ટ આપે છે 100 ની ઉપર જ સ્કોર થાય છે. સો લેટ્સ સી. સો એવું ન્યૂઝ અમને મળ્યું છે અમને. વાંધો નહીં સર, ચાલશે. અતુલ સર, અ વેરી ગુડ મોર્નિંગ. So the owner for team ITCG comes to bowl out. Pratik Bhai to bowl the second over. Well, that's a very good delivery. For a second, both the batsmen just witnessed each other, and a single has been taken. 15 runs on the scorecard. Over the wicket, it's a full toss, and it's a third. Absolute cloud sixer. This time it's a wide delivery. One more extra run. What a shot! Just above the bowler's head. It's an absolute cloud sixer. This time a slower delivery. Going down the leg side. Well, it was in the air for a meanwhile. A sensible cricket by the 30 runs on the scorecard. This time it's in the air. But then a single run. 31 runs in 1.5 overs. So then it's a white ball being counted. Oh my goodness. It's an absolute cloud sixer. That was a drive. And the score is 38 runs after 2 overs. 38. In the first match, we saw 150 plus runs. So are we going to witness one more 150 plus score here? And Alpesh Bhai joining the party. It's an NJ boundary. Just wanted to clear the boundary. The ball touching the upper net. It's a dot ball. Pratik Kuvadia bowling round the over the wicket to the right-handed batsman. A single. And it's Rajesh Bhai who will be on strike. 43 runs on the scorecard. A good sensible batting. Giving the respect. But then a good turn here. The good swing by Pratik Kuvadia. This time he just wanted to connect it, didn't connect it properly. It's the end of over number 3. The score is 43. A dot ball to start the proceedings. It's a power over. A quick single. So every run will double, and if wicket falls, minus runs will be considered away. This time played toward the fielder. Sachin sir stops the ball. It's a no ball. No plus single. Use of the feet here. A good piece of a fielding. Two deliveries left. सर अंपायर सिग्नल देंगे हम वही बताएंगे प्लीज. Now it's in the air. Oh, it's a wicket falling. And Rajesh Bhai has to walk back. Aryan catching the ball at the long on region. The big wicket of Rajesh Bhai. It's a power over. Already -5. And now it's Anuj Bhai on the striker's end. Dancing down the track, and what a save it is. What a save it is. And the final score is 48 runs. 48. Yes, sir. -5 કરીને સ્કોર છે 48.
43 था.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा हो करके एक रन नहीं तो फिर एक रन मेरे को छड़ता था.
So then the -5 making all the things counting here. 48 after 4. And it's Aryan to bowl the 5th over. Alpesh Patel not out on 10 of 9, and it's Anuj. Bhai to face the first ball. Now that's a no ball being signalled. Had it been a throw at the striker's end, certainly that would have been some curtains. But then it's a no ball and a single. 2 runs added, and then it's 50 runs on the scorecard. Well, it was a full toss driven to the extra cover region for a single. 51 in 4.1 overs. Well, it's a free hit, and once again it's a no ball. So these are some handful of runs here for Digicom. So only just a single delivery has been bowled so far. The score is 53 runs. That's been swept away for an NJ boundary. Well, this kind of shots will surely help the batsman to get a good comeback. It's a no ball. And what a shot! Well, the ball touched. Well, there are 3 umpires standing for the match. And it's an NJ boundary by Anuj Bhai. The score is 62 runs. 4.3 overs. The score is 62. Again a full toss. And it's a absolute cloud sixer. Round the wicket this time. A good comeback by Aryan here. Single delivery left. On the back foot. And it's an absolute cloud sixer by Alpesh Bhai. The score is 75. Five overs gone. It's 75 for 1. The score 75 for 1 after 5 overs. This time on the back foot. Aryan stops the ball. This time again. And it's an absolute cloud sixer. 2 consecutive biggies. The score is 87. Again the same shot. This time on the offside. It's an absolute cloud sixer. 93 is the score. Well, he's in some good touch. A single. A good sensible batting by Anuj Bhai and Alpesh Bhai. The score is 94 runs. $94 for 1 after 6 overs. Well, the captain coming in to bowl. What a shot! Straight above the bowler's head. It's 100 up. It's 100 up. Absolute cloud sixer on the very first ball. Again dancing down the track, and this time the wicket falls. But then a good innings coming to an end by Anuj Bhai. Well, that's a good delivery. The ball ricocheting off the inside edge. Shripal at the striker's end. It was in the air for a short time. A chance. But then Alpesh Bhai making at the right time at the non-striker's end. 100 for 2. The score remains in 6.4 overs. It's a good comeback by Ahmed Bhai. What a shot! Above the bowler's head. It's an absolute cloud sixer. This time round the wicket, and it doesn't affect any time. It's an absolute cloud sixer by Shripal, and the score is 112. 112 after 7 overs. Well, Tushar Bhai comes here, and what a save this is. Well then, it's an helpful single run here for both the batsmen. Again inviting the batsman for a big hit. Didn't connect it properly. Two single runs on 2 balls. $114 is the score. That's a clean strike. It's an absolute cloud sixer. And Alpesh, he is not out on 24 of 13. Round the wicket to the right-handed batsman. It's a no ball. And it's an NJ boundary. And a free hit to be continued. On the back foot. A good piece of a fielding there. 126 is the score with help of this single. 2 balls left. That's inviting the batsman for a stroke. And what a shot this is. Even the umpire was moved away. It's an absolute cloud sixer. 132. So it seems. And it's an NJ boundary to conclude the first innings. A good comeback here by the Digicom team. 136 after 8 overs. That means the target will be of 137. 137 is the target. So yes, welcome back. Second innings. यानी कि रन चेस की यहाँ पर शुरुआत होने जा रही है. वी आर अबाउट टू स्टार्ट विद द रन चेस. 137 is the run target. Krishnakant to bowl the very first over, and it's Aryan and Tushar Shah to start the proceedings. Let's place the call. 137 is the target, and it's a left-hand batsman versus left-handed bowler. तो चलिए पहली गेंद पर 1 रन लेकर ऑफ द मार्क हुए हैं आर्यन पारेख. एंड तुषार भाई आए हैं. राउंड द विकेट राइट हैंडेड बैट्समैन के लिए. ड्राइव किया था सीधा फील्डर के हाथों में. ऑन द बैक फुट. ये बड़ा हिट मारने का प्रयास था. बहुत ही अच्छा थ्रो, पर 1 रन जरूर मिलेगा. 2 रन 3 गेंदों में. 137 का टारगेट है और इस बार आर्यन ने कनेक्ट किया है प्रॉपरली. एब्सोल्यूट क्लाउड सिक्सर. 4 गेंदों में 8 रन और ये नो बॉल का इशारा. फ्री हिट की गेंद रहेगी. तो आर्यन के पास पूरा लाइसेंस है और बहुत ही खूबसूरती से इस गेंद को मोड़ा है एनजे बाउंड्री के लिए. एक बेहतरीन स्टार्ट इस रन चेस का. 13 रन्स. ड्राइव किया मिसफील्ड और उसका फायदा जरूर मिलेगा। एनजे बाउंड्री के साथ यहां पर ओवर हुई है कंप्लीट एंड पहले ओवर के बाद स्कोर है 17। 17 रन बगैर किसी विकेट के नुकसान पर 137 का टारगेट है और बहुत ही बढ़िया स्टार्ट यहां पर देने में सफल हुए हैं आर्यन एंड तुषार भाई। राकेश गांधी आए हैं और पहली गेंद पर ड्राइव किया है तुषार भाई ने। जानते हैं कि आर्यन बहुत ही अच्छा स्ट्राइक कर रहे हैं तो ज्यादातर स्ट्राइक उन्हें दी जा रही है। वेल लेफ्ट, बेहतरीन तरीके से इस गेंद को छोड़ा था। यस सर, वाइड गेंद थी और इस बार सिंगल। ओह, डायरेक्ट हिट का प्रयास था नॉन स्ट्राइकर्स एंड पर, डेंजर एंड पर जा रहे थे आर्यन। सिंगल जरूर मिलेगा। 20 रन। इस बार बैक टू दी बॉलर्स ड्राइव। फुल टॉस गेंद थी, टॉप एज लगकर गेंद ऑफ साइड पर, सिंगल जरूर मिलेगा। 21 रन्स। 2 गेंदों का खेल शेष। चलिए एक और एक्स्ट्रा रन जुड़ जाएगा स्कोर कार्ड पर। 22। 1.4 ओवर की गेंदबाजी में और यह बहुत ही करारा स्ट्रोक था पर बेहतरीन तरीके से गेंद को स्टॉप किया गया फॉलो थ्रू में। इस बार बैकफुट पर जाकर ड्राइव किया, फिर एक बार फॉलो थ्रू में ही राकेश भाई ने गेंद को रोका और 2 ओवर्स के बाद स्कोर है 22 रन। यानी कि दूसरे ओवर में मात्र 5 रन बनाने दिए राकेश भाई ने। बहुत ही अच्छी वापसी। बॉलर कौन है? बॉलर्स नेम अनुज भाई। चलिए पहली गेंद पर बड़ा हिट मारना चाहते थे, टॉप लीडिंग एज लगकर बॉल बॉलर के ही हाथों में। राउंड द विकेट, लेग टर्न करने का प्रयास था, लेग स्टंप के काफी बाहर थी। अतिरिक्त रन। तेईस रनों पर रुका है स्कोर इस बार कलाइयों के सहारे। सिंगल रन मिलता हुआ। फुल टॉस गेंद पर ये नो बॉल का इशारा। तो चलिए फ्रीड की गेंद रहेगी आर्यन के लिए। बेहतरीन ड्राइव और क्या बात है, खूबसूरत फील्डिंग। देखिए इसे ही तो कहते हैं जी और जान लगाकर फील्डिंग करना। फुल टॉस गेंद थी, सिंगल जरूर मिलेगा। कहीं ना कहीं प्रयास कर रहे हैं तुषार भाई भी बड़ा हिट लगाने का। 27 रन्स 2.4 ओवर्स में। आर्यन 10 गेंदों में 17 रन बनाकर स्ट्राइकर्स एंड पर सामना करेंगे अनुज भाई का, जिन्होंने फर्स्ट इनिंग्स में काफी प्रभाव डाला था। इस बार नो बॉल का इशारा। और हमारे अंपायर समझाते हुए कि क्यों ये नो बॉल का इशारा दिया गया था। तो चलिए फ्रीड की गेंद रहेगी तुषार भाई के लिए। 29 रन्स बगैर किसी विकेट के नुकसान पर। और ये बेहतरीन शॉट, सिंगल जरूर मिल जाएगा। एक तरफ से सिंगल्स द्वारा स्ट्राइक रोटेट की जा रही है और एक तरफ आर्यन जो कि आक्रामक रूप नजर आ रहा है। 30 रन 2.5 ओवर्स। इस बार ऑन साइड पर खेला गया स्ट्रोक, बॉल रिकोशिएट हुई मिसफील्ड और एनजे बाउंड्री। और इस चौके के साथ ओवर भी कंप्लीट हुई है। 3 ओवर्स के बाद स्कोर है 34। 3 overs gone, it's 34 without a loss. 130 runs required in 30 balls. It will be the power over. So each and every run will be doubled. So then it's a white ball to start the power over. Once again, it's down the leg side. And ITCG, these are some helpful runs for you. Again, a white ball. So more often, if you calculate, it's the easy run chase for ITCG. And on the other end, they need a wicket here. It's a power over. And if the wicket falls, minus runs will be there. We saw it in the first innings. This time it's in the gap. A good shot by Tushar Bhai to bring the man in form on strike. Going on the back foot, but what a good piece of a fielding this is by Pankaj Bhai. One more dot ball. Well, down the leg side. He just wanted to target on the leg stump. Very well left. One more white ball. These are some extra efforts being bowled by the bowler. This time it's been connected. The backup from the fielder. Anuj Bhai giving up a backup here. Tushar Bhai on strike. What a good strike this is. 2 balls left. On the back foot. It's in the hands of the fielder. The wrong shot selection. And the minus runs. 1 ball left. Aryan giving it a good start. But he is being sent it away to the pavilion. Now that's a good strike by Pratik Kuvadia. Absolute cloud sixer to end the power over. So we'll update the score. Just give a second. Just give a second. The scores are being updated. Can we know the next bowler's name, please? The final score is 57. 4 overs gone. It's a 57 for 1. 80 runs needed in 24 balls. Again using his feet here. And a single to the score. Moves on to 58 runs. Well, then Pratik started his innings with a maximum. Well, more often big hits are needed. This time it's a good connection. It's a dot ball. This time into the hands of the fielder. Well, it was played into the gap, but then a good piece of a fielding there. One more wicket falls. It will be the captain who is on the batting strike. 58 for 2 in 4.4. "79 runs in 20 balls. It's a white ball. So now 78 runs are required. Where it was in the air for a while. Just chipped it away on the offside. One more single. The score moves on to 60. Well, it's a misfield, resulting into an NJ boundary. It's the end of over number 5. The score is 64. So can we know the bowler's name? Oh, that was a close call. A good swing. Inside edge and just missed the stumps. Well, it's a no ball.
वो अभी डेड बॉल बैट छोड़ दिया ना,
This time it's down the leg side. One more extra run here. Oh, well, that was an Yorker length delivery. A smile being exchanged between the batsman and the bowler. Using his feet and playing it towards the wideish long on. Not for any runs. So each and every pressure ball, the batsman has to think. That's a good stroke, but straight to the fielder. Oh, he just wanted to clear the boundary. And the attacking field making things count here. Alpesh Bhai. Again a good fielding that is. So the new batsman in is Shrenik. The score is 63 for 3. Yes, it's 65 for 3 in 5.4 overs. "14 balls, 72 runs are required." And he's clean bowled. He just misses it on the swing. 2 big wickets in 2 balls here for Jasmine. 65 for the loss of 4 wickets. And it's the team owner who has arrived at the crease. Pratiksha at the batting end. And Jasmine, you are on a hat-trick here. 5.5, 65 for 4. Pratik Bhai will surely try to take a single or have a big hit here. Now that is played on the onside, a sensible batting. And it's a single to end the over number 6. The score is 66 for 4. 66 for 4. And 71 required in 12 balls to win this match. Well, it's Shripal to bowl the over number 7, and he starts it with a dot ball. Bowling round the wicket to the right-handed batsman. It's a big target. And we can see a lot of 100 score is being sold in ACPL Season 5. We are seeing a lot of big hits in the middle. That's a clean strike by Pratik Bhai, but then a single for the scorecard. 67 for 4 in 6.2 overs. It's a no ball. Well, then inviting the batsman for a big hit. Again, loopy delivery. 68 for 4 in 6.3 overs. Again, reading the batsman mind. Following him. Well, the appeal for the stumping. Well, lots of excitement here. 7 balls remaining, 69 runs needed. And well, there was an effort for the football try. Pankaj sir making a good attempt. It's a end of over number 7. The score is 69. 68 runs are needed to win this match. On the back foot, that's been played away on the onside. A single. The score moves on to 70. This time on the back foot. 2 fielders beyond that delivery. Only a single. And the furniture has been disturbed. So 1 more wicket here. And Digicom, they are on the verge of a victory. 71 for 5 at 7.3 overs. Well, it's a no ball. The ball slipping out of the hands. And Pankaj Bhai having a laugh here. Well, only 3 balls are left. This time, a direct hit at the non-striker's end. And it's a run out. Sir, there are 2 to 3 wickets remaining. 3 wickets are remaining here. It was in the air for a short time. A single. The score moves on to 73 in 7.5 overs. And it's a wicket to end the proceedings. And the second match comes to an end with this wicket. Digicom Blazers winning the match by 63 runs.